Listening is the best way to practice English. It plays a vital role in developing fluency and confidence in speaking. By actively listening to native speakers, you not only expose yourself to authentic language use but also internalize pronunciation, intonation, and vocabulary naturally. In this video, you will listen to practice conversation of two native girls. So let's begin. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm doing well too. What have you been up to lately?
Not much, just hanging out with friends and studying for exams. What about you?
Same here, trying to balance schoolwork and social life. Have you watched any good movies recently?
Yes, I watched a comedy movie last night with my family. It was hilarious. How about you?
I haven't watched any movies lately, been busy with other stuff. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not really, just going to relax at home and catch up on some reading. What about you?
I might go shopping with my mom and then maybe grab lunch with friends. Are you into any new hobbies?
I've been trying out painting lately. It's really therapeutic. What about you?
That sounds fun. I've been learning to play the guitar. It's challenging but rewarding. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog named Bella. She's adorable. Do you have any pets?
No, but I've always wanted a cat. Maybe someday. Have you traveled anywhere interesting recently?
Not recently, but I went on a trip to the mountains last summer. It was breathtaking. What about you?
I went to the beach with my family last month. It was so relaxing. Do you have any favorite foods?
I love pizza and pasta, they're my go-to comfort foods. What about you?
I'm a sucker for chocolate chip cookies. I can never resist them. Do you enjoy outdoor activities?
Yes, I love hiking and camping. Nature is so beautiful and calming. What about you?
I enjoy outdoor activities too, especially going for walks in the park. It helps clear my mind. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a younger brother. He can be annoying sometimes, but I love him. What about you?
I have an older sister. We get along pretty well most of the time. Do you have any plans for summer vacation?
Not yet, but I'm thinking of going on a road trip with friends. What about you?
I'm planning to visit my grandparents in the countryside. It's always nice to spend time with family.